Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Tony.
My name is Alex. Boom. How old are you, Tony?
I'm 10 years old.
Great. How are you today?
I'm very good.
I'm happy for you. Boom. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get started. Boom. Okay, please name 7 sea animals that you know.
It's jellyfish,
Good.
shark, dolphin, whale, starfish, crab, and squid.
Great. Boom. Okay, what is your favorite sea animal?
My favorite sea animal is seal.
Seal. Okay, seals. Okay, please tell me more about seals.
It's fat and big.
Good.
They are gray and white.
Perfect. What else can you tell me about them?
And they eat squid, crab, and
what?
jellyfish.
Good. Okay, what are they good at?
They're good at hunting.
Great. For example, what is it doing right now? It is lying on the iceberg, maybe. Okay. Okay, Emma, could you help us? What can you tell me about whales?
I like whale
You like whales. Why?
because whale is biggest animal in earth.
On the earth. Okay. What color are they?
They are gray and white.
Boom. Okay, what do they eat?
They eat small animal,
Oh, small sea and small fish.
small fish.
Okay, what are they good at?
They're good at diving.
Great. What can you tell me about sharks?
I don't like shark because shark is dangerous.
Dangerous. Good. Boom. Okay, what do they eat?
They eat small sea animal.
Okay, good. Okay, do you like jellyfish?
I don't like jellyfish because jellyfish is sting you.
Sting you. Good. Thank you. My congratulations. Boom. Bye bye.
Bye bye, teacher.